Welcome to Brick Animals. Let's check out these weird animals on the beach.
Hello. Hello, little seal. Hello.
Turns out that crabs love hot Cheetos as well.
Gotta use 2 hands for that one.
This giant mama pelican scares away lady trying to eat her babies. Shark gets extremely close to shore. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. If you don't like and subscribe, you must hate all animals. And this shark gave this jet ski rider a wild story to tell. If he hadn't recorded, no one would believe him.
Go away, Jeff.
Oh. I've never seen one that f***ing big.
Nah, that's enough for me.
Mate. He's just sitting there, what the hell?
Yeah, as long as he stays down there. He's scoping us, mate.
Oh no! Me!
Holy
Jesus!
that is f***ing huge.
Oh, that's
That is mad.
I wouldn't want to swim here.
What are you doing, mate?
You never know what's under the sand.
This is so weird. Oh my god.
These flamingos look like they are doing a model walk for the people watching them. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.